Welcome once again. The name is Alex. It is said, some people say that it is good to learn one or more things a day. Today, I'm going to tell you something with Excel, data manipulation and data analysis become very excellent. Excel is an excellent data analysis and manipulation program. With the Excel, you can make addition, subtraction, division, and average, and much more data manipulation. Open Excel. Let's suppose that you have data like this, and then it is like a description of some product that need to be sold, and then there are link on which you can buy them. Then here we have unity price. Let's call this a unity price. And then here we have the quantity. Then we need to calculate the total price. Now you see that here we have the data, you have the product description, links where you can buy it, you have a price, you have a quantity. Then here we need to make like a total price. Means the total price is equal to the unity price times the quantity needed. Now means addition, subtraction, and multiplication can be performed in Excel. Every operation in Excel starts with equal. Then you click the data you want to multiply, add, or divide. Take this, then you multiply with you click to star. The multiplication in Excel is a star. Then you choose another data you want to multiply with, then you hit OK. You see that this is equal to the multiplication of this. If we want to distribute formula to the whole cells of Excel, you will come, select this, and then wait for that plus sign, and then drive it to where you want your formula to be distributed. Let's stop there. And boom, you will find that every data will be shown there. If we wanted to add something also, you will start with equal, then you select the cell in which you want to add your data. You will select, for example, this sign plus, then select the other cell, then you hit OK. Find that this is a result of this plus that. If we want to make like sum of everything, means if we want to make like a total price, you will select all. Then if you select all, you can come to the auto sum here. If you click here on down, at the end you will find the total of all the prices, for total price for each product. Then if you want to make like division, you can take like this. Let's say here we want to make a division, we want to have a total price, and then a quantity we need like a unity price. How will you do that? Of course, if you have a total price and then quantity, then you need the unity price. You select the total price, then division is a backslash like that, then you choose the data you want to divide, then you hit OK. You find that, sorry, this is not real. I took the long data. If you have a total price like this, then you divide by quantity, then you find the unity price. You see that it is a normal division. Normal division is a backslash. Then we saw division, multiplication, addition, then auto sum. That's all for today. Thank you for being with K2K Tech.